Mom's has always got the best quotes. Yeah, I can see me cruising now. Yeah, man, my mom's always got some nice quotes going on. I'm telling you. Dream like Martin, chant like Rosa, fight like Malcolm, lead like Harriet, think like Garvey, believe like Thurgood, educate like Webb. What's that say? Write like Maya, speak like Frederick, build like Madam CJ. What is this?
What do you got?
Jeez. Little alien on TV. That's enough. Getting up in the back seat. Yeah. How's it feel being in the back seat? You know that. You know that. I had not come prepared. I had a case on my phone and I dropped it outside the car yesterday and it broke the whole case. So now it's just a bare phone. No safety. I feel like this iPhone might not make it on this trip.
We're in Florida. It was risky getting here because, you know, you hear so much scare about the corona and then here you are on an airplane in a tight space with a bunch of strangers and walking through, yeah.
A bunch of people walking.
John had a dream that the whole plane was coughing.
No, you got it. No, you got it.
He woke up in a panic.
So we gotta stop to a nice little local restaurant here called Nicole's. We're gonna get some breakfast. You know what I mean? Guys, look at this.
Right, are we ready?
Yeah, nice order for $7. In Bermuda, that would be like $17. Okay, that's what's up. Local, yeah. That's the way to go though, man. Get stuff ground straight out the ground.
Cheese and cheese.
Yeah, because by the time stuff gets shipped way over to you, you don't know what the process. So we guys just finished eating at Nicole's, the local restaurant, and I am stuffed. Oh, local. Yeah, no. Vito's is here in Florida, venturing off. So we have to come back and get some pizza because my belly is. Whew. How you feeling, baby?
I feel wonderful. I want to FaceTime my mom.
I feel good. So we guys are gonna check out this Just Smash It right here. See what that's about. Red's Room. Yeah, that's a lick right there. You guys out there in Florida. These are the hours.
Beautiful out here.
They are now open. That's how we should walk around now, avoid the corona going on.
That's how Naomi Campbell was at the airport.
Yeah?
Yeah, just like that, yeah.
Your lens. Need my lens? Get up in that grill. So I gotta clean y'all real quick. Hold on.
Go forward instead of doing your regular service.
That's all the stuff that they let you use. Yeah. Right here. Got parts. My boy right here. Sort you out. He don't sort you out.
Check out them shoes.
That one the real boy. He was born in the late 80s. So you probably had a pair of them.
K-Swiss.
I remember wearing them in middle school. That's what I. Get it. Ah, come on. Yeah. Yo, this car is clean. Take something like that, take it through the desert. But yeah, man, we guys didn't go into the Smash place. They had it booked up, so we guys actually made a thing for tomorrow. You guys check that one out. We guys gonna do a nice little vlog for that. Ain't that right, Mumsy? They gonna get involved in it, Anna. Once again, women shopping. Women be shopping. Getting ready for the road. Yeah. Yeah, so while everyone's pretty much occupied handling business and all that, I'm just walking around this little mechanic shop. That food really got me full. I gotta walk it off, so I can lighten up. I'm ready to lay down and go to sleep. Yeah, like I was saying, they had reservations and all that booked for the Smash place. But we all gonna go check it out. I'm trying to get Moms and Ray, trying to get everybody up in there, man. And you can actually watch it from the security cam, which you guys already saw that. So if they don't want to do it, they could just record the whole scenario. So it all depends. I'll try to get you some footage if we get in there and my moms don't want to do it, but if not, y'all just got to try it out, man, and check it out. Well, I might have to sneak the phone in there, but hopefully that don't get smashed.
Put this up for me and I put it under my seat.
I was telling them how I'm not too sure if you're gonna do the Smash room. And sorry you guys for the lighting, you know, you guys inside the car, but I was telling them how you may or you may not do the Smash room.
No, I'm smashing enough things in my lifetime. No any nerves. I know how to beat them up and I have to. No other reason. I'm at the stage in life where I don't need to smash nothing. I'm at peace. Life is good. I'm loving my family.
Well, I'm angry.
Yeah, see,
I'm angry.
Age of anger.
I'm gonna beat the room up and everybody else in it. Nah, but oh well, that means that y'all get to see us smashing things up because
I'm smashed all up.
And mom, yeah, exactly. Mom's gonna look on the camera, and look in the surveillance camera and see us in the room. So y'all get to get a nice little view of us acting up. That's the lick. Jeez. Oh, here's a little spray. That's clean. Last time you guys seen something like this running, actually on the road. Sheesh.
And that's your third shot, third time.
So you mark,
bringing the target up to you.
right. So you mark every time you hit it.
Yeah.
First shot, you mark it.
Yeah.
The second shot, you mark it.
This is a better rate.
I want you to look at what I picked out. If you pick one or two or whatever you like.
Yeah.
So because you're wearing Nike, I found these ones.
Right.
These ones are 24. They're like a cotton. And then I found these ones 1998.
Right.
So for what you're wearing now.
Already cotton.
Cotton.
Already cotton. Yeah, already cotton.
You like the cottons?
Yeah, these ones here, like I don't know for some reason I sweat more in this material than a cotton. Obviously because it probably breathes better.
So these ones are 14 each. Do you want like look?
Well,
Do you want the Nike ones, or do you want maybe a Nike and?
Does have no name on it?
Yeah, no
That's
name.
cool. That's perfect. Yeah, I'd rather have
Which color do you want them all?
Yeah, I'll rock them.
And then maybe maybe the cotton Nikes too. Get these guys two for $24.99. Extra large is good.
All right, that could work. Where you find them shorts to?
Over here,
Oh, let's do the 24-hour challenge. 1, 2.
winning.
Like at the other shop.
Meant to be. Yes.
Yeah. Actually, you know I'm actually loving them colors though. Black and orange. I want my pickup truck to be like that.
Get you this for your birthday?
What?
Would you wear this? Did the shorts that you
You
got?
don't have to get me anything for my birthday. My birthday is way back in February.
It's okay.
It's
your
over.
birthday.
It's over. It's your birthday. What you mean? No, put that down. Let's go get your hat. I'm okay. I'm okay. Trust. You got me stuff my birthday.
When you walk in it, I want you to kind of.
I do all the time that I can walk. I think about mama.
It's just my inspiration. I've got my Beast shirt on, so I know it's birthday.
What y'all think, man? It's her birthday. It's her birthday, and I feel like she should be getting the presents. But she wants to buy me something for my birthday, being that she wanted her to celebrate it, which was last month. I don't know. I don't know. What y'all think? I don't know. I do. You give every day. You've been giving every day all my life.
Don't take away my ability.
All right. Well, okay, let's go check it. You said you want an Adidas hat?
Is that supposed to absorb sweat?
What, this? No, this said the hat don't ban. You take this off. You take that out once you buy the hat. You don't keep that.
Let the hat breathe because I'm going to be sweating.
Yep. That's what all these clothes are for. But this hat is going to get dirty fast.
Oh, white. I know. White does. But for me, it would get dirty.
That's Okay.
Nice red one.
Want to get two of them? Like 2 colors?
But you see what I do? You walk in, these, and a different color shirt. So
Right.
I figured the white hat
Yeah, sharp, ain't she sharp? Look, look, just imagine. Carrying on. Acting up.
would be
Take your shades
adjustable,
off.
right?
This? No, this is a fitted.
Meaning,
It fits one size. Okay, I'm liking it. Heck yeah, you know that. I got it. And that's some colors too. Little orange, little blue.
Not the color.
Gator boy.
Miss Ray.
Right here, having a seat.
I don't know.
I think that's the best. I think that's the best thing that they could do when they put these benches here. They finally thought about us. You know? Do you have some of these stuff? Yo, my new resolution is to stop the drinking and stop the banging. What you think, bruh? Feel me? Never happened. This belly.
Oh,
Gotta-
my baby.
gotta go. Look.
Hey, baby.
Look at my belly, y'all.
Oh.
That's gotta go, man. That's gotta go. I can't walk around here looking like no seahorse. I gotta have my stomach flat like your boy here. Never happened.
Shopping.
Buzz do.
If you don't hear much from me, y'all, because I'm focused when I'm shopping. I'm price comparing, color matching.
They're probably saying they ain't seen you all vlog like, yeah, touch. This is rich as that. And me, I'm just floating around. That's why I'm talking to y'all, man. I'd rather hang with y'all than sit up here try to find stuff. A couple pens, I'm good to go. You know, damn, they wanna get everything right. You're dropping the gear?
Sorry, baby.
Yeah, that one nice. Which ones you see that you like?
I like these ones.
2 hours later.
Ready to roll? Okay.
Yeah.
Y'all wanna wonder what Santa Claus does in the summertime? See how that wear and tear takes from trying to treat y'all? Y'all better be good, man. Santa Claus taking licks, huh?
He had a rough year this year.
Yeah, I can tell.
Man, the coronavirus. That's probably kicking it.
Probably why he ain't got the reindeer. Reindeer, I'm sick.
These are reindeer that we got out here right now.
What?
Red.
Yep.
That's Rudolph. Right
Yep,
there.
there he is.
Here comes Dasher.
They're going crazy
That's
over
Dasher
him.
A
right
Prancer
there.
over there.
You see Prancer?
Yep.
Yeah. Lined up.
Is he black? Jeez, there's nothing but pickup trucks though. Yeah, y'all. Just got back to the house. Man, it's just been a long day already, and it's still only just the first half. Guys been shopping, got some food. Now we about to go check out the gun range, believe it or not. Let that fire on. You know what I'm saying? Toss shoot up. This your first time shooting a gun?
Yes.
So, you know, first
Yes,
time
it
rookie,
is.
we're gonna pop that cherry.
The camera's too far this way.
I'm got the angles down now.
Oh, go on.
Look. There's always got backseat drivers always trying to tell the driver what to do. Just enjoy the ride, you know what I'm saying? I know the angles and all that deal, like, you know? But anyway, me and guys gonna show you what we bought you over here. We got a couple things, you know?
So we had to hook John up with the Gator shirt, you know.
All day, get her
And
done. Get her done.
that. And I got him a white tee because my baby loves his white tees.
Yes, sir. Oh, yeah, sweet. That's pretty big, though.
Extra large.
That's like you bought it for yourself to
I've
sleep
heard.
in.
We're in America, you know.
Hey, yo, she low-key buys me stuff, but she's buying herself stuff too, trust. She can probably have that on to sleep in this summer.
This one's for moi. And then this one.
Para su?
See. This one's for my baby. Got you
A
another
yellow?
t-shirt.
Hey, you want me getting hit by bees this summer?
Got you some shorts. Oh, they gave us the hangers too. Okay.
Yeah, so you know you need some shorts and all that, man. I came in Florida with stuff dressed for winter, and honestly, man, it is hot. You see how Tasha's dressed? That's how you gotta dress now, man. It is humid. It's summer.
Got me a hat.
Okay, nice little colors.
Oh, I think Mumsy got this for you.
Yeah, Mom's got that for me.
Hello.
I like that. Hold on. Let me get the lighting. All right, there we go. I like that black and orange. I don't know if y'all
What's
can
it say on
see
it?
it. Beast.
Okay.
Yeah, it looks better
That
from
sure
here. Yeah.
are.
So lay them down right here. The lighting's good right there.
Okay, and then these are for me. There's some spandex shorts to wear under those short shorts, so they're not hanging out.
Y'all know what hanging out means. Y'all ain't got no backside.
These are some nice shorts for me. I love these cotton shorts. We got a water bottle.
Yeah, I need that. Y'all, look, hey. Stay up on your water, man. Water's key. Your butt is 70% water.
Got mom some hats for her walks.
Right. Summer-friendly colors, you know.
Yes.
Oh, little unboxing.
My baby got me some shoes. Yes,
Jeez.
yes.
Fire.
Yes.
I like that. What's that design on the back? Hold on, the camera needs to.
I don't know. It's like a brown kind of leopard print. Kind of. I don't know. I love it though. I love it.
Nice.
Some more shorts. More shorts for my baby.
See how she got these with the Nikes on them? That's what's up. That's Gucci. But sometimes I just like to get a regular brand, like just no real brands on them. And then I can rock whatever, a white tee or black tee. And just a pair of whatever brand shoes, you know what I mean? And you ain't gotta worry about mixing it up.
I'm wearing these today.
About to hit the driving range up, you know. If y'all are just getting into the vlog now, we guys bought some bullets, we bought some targets and all that stuff. So Tosh hasn't shot before, so we're gonna take her and just let her get off some, you know, some of that aggression. You feel me?
I think I'll be good at it, honestly. I think I'll be good at
To
it.
be honest, a lot of women are actually naturally good at shooting.
Okay.
Like, it's been crazy. Like, the amount of stories I've heard, a lot of women have actually, like, on their first try and all that, or just being a rookie, have greater aim than the man that's a rookie.
Okay.
Now, you know, I'll probably get some slack in the comments or some whatever, like, oh, you don't know what you're talking about. This is my story, alright? This is what I've seen and heard. You all might have a different story, so take it easy.
Take it easy.
Take it easy. Y'all see where we at. Yo, here we're at too. Hey, they stopped shooting. Yeah, so we guys are gonna bust off some shots. Oh yeah. I can't wait to see Tasha, man. I want to see her get in. She's gonna be a good kick. Mercy, that damn sour. Mercy. He didn't lock it? I'll tell him. But damn, that thing was so sorry, I forgot what I was even telling you, or just not. Well, whatever.
If you need anything else, we can show you then. If you want to rent anything else.
Alright.
Next Saturday? That's it, man.
I appreciate it. Get it.
You need hearing protection, eye protection? Absolutely, no problem.
Boy, you ready?
I'm ready.
Alright. You can use this first?
No way.
This button right here or this button right here. So either one of these is ambidextrous. So if you push this button, it'll pop that bolt forward. Same on this side. So you push the bolt back, you push it forward. Now when I say forward, there's nothing in there. And it's open because you can see that there's nothing in there. So this one do the same thing, it'll pop the bolt. So once you pop the bolt, it'll load around into the chain. Okay. There you go. Perfect.
Jesus Christ.
Ice is dead beat.
It's 5:31 actually. Yes, sir. Well, we're not closing. We got a class tonight. Yes, sir. But because we got this closed a little. Huh? 8 o'clock. No, you can say yeah.
Yo, what is up, JT4E family? It is the next day, same vlog still though. We guys have been having such a blast. I'm about to take y'all out to Tasha and Mom's right now. They whipping up a nice Bermuda dish for breakfast. It's Sunday, on March 15th. Oh, my boy's B-Day today. I'm gonna hit him up, man. You know what I'm saying? So anyway, I'm gonna take y'all out there. They're blasting tune and all that type of stuff. So might not be able to do too much. I have to have some music over it or something. You know, I don't want to get copywritten. You know how that go. But they are busting some Luther Vandross, all that good Sunday music. You feel me? So let's go take a look. See what I want. Hey. I'm there. You never get too old for chores.
Make sure it's steady, because it's a lift there.
Boom. I should be an interior decorator. What? What you doing, baby?
Making some sauce.
Too much sauce. Come on, come help you set up the table, mums. All right. So like y'all, so they're in the kitchen doing the damn thing. I'm about to go help them set up because we got the family coming over and we just gonna kick it. So get back to y'all in a sec.
Miami!
Back in Miami, man, we just came off this thing on a little Corona exit thing. I don't know what the hell it was, huh?
It felt like we were going like up towards one of those roller coasters.
Yeah.
You know, when you're walking up the creaky stairs, you're about to get on the ride.
Look at that thing. Tell me not. I ain't never seen nothing like that before. Yo, look at this here stuff. Yeah, I guess it's like all different. You got these palm trees. I guess everything that really make up Miami. Look, be in between flights, she still finding the time to go shopping.
Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang. I'm being silly.
Ladies and gentlemen, while we go through this area of turbulence, we ask that you please make sure that your seatbelts are securely fastened around you.
Yo, turbulence
If you're
is
currently traveling with
serious.
small children, please make sure that your seatbelts are securely fastened around them.
Yo, we guys just landed back in Burmy. Found out we guys are quarantined for 2 weeks straight, hear me? So if y'all out there and y'all are quarantined, man, hey, hit us up in the comments or hit us up on Instagram at Join the Touch Forever, man, and let us know like what the hell y'all are doing. We're gonna do some more vlogs and just show y'all what is exactly we're doing while we're quarantined.
Yes.
You know what I mean? But don't worry, we ain't got nothing. So you ain't gotta worry about that. You feel me? But we guys are stuck, so man. Hope y'all love the vlog, man. Peace out. Bless up.
Do, 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 do.